Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're thrilled to have with us the one and only Chef Tatum, a true culinary innovator and advocate for quality kitchen. So we're here at Binang for a quick kwentuhan to get Chef Tatum's take on what it means to invest on functional and but built to last kitchen. So Chef, bago tayo magsimula, kamusta naman yung biyahe niyo?
Ang aking
Yung biyahe.
biyahe okay naman. Very near from Quezon City to
To
Marikina.
Marikina.
Oo.
Buti naman.
Oo. Yeah.
So, ayun, how important ba sa inyo ang well-designed home kitchen for a chef like you?
For me, not just like for an industrial kitchen, ibang usapan yan, di ba? Pero even for a home kitchen, it has to be well designed because a lot of us, hindi na kasi siya gaya ng dati na nagluluto ka, then yung trabaho mo sa pamilya mo, pagluluto lang, like the housewives of before, di ba? Right now, you have to blend cooking seamlessly to the other aspects of your life, no? So, it's very important na it's functional, di ba?
Yeah.
Number two, it has to be ergonomic in the sense na it's designed in a manner na accessible lahat, di ba? Thirdly, one of the things very difficult is to maintain the cleanliness of your kitchen, di ba? So, yung cabinetry mo, yung wala siya masyadong mga spots na hindi mo naabot. So, it's really very important. Pero sometimes kasi getting a good kitchen and designing a good kitchen is a challenge, lalo pag wala kang alam sa kusina, di ba? So, some people just based on aesthetics lang, pero hindi nila binibase sa lifestyle nila and hindi binibase sa utility ng kitchen na kailangan nila.
Very good point talaga,
Oo.
sir. So, actually, in Binang, kami na rin kasi yung nagde-design. So, ako, like me, architect na.
Oo.
And so, kapag may
Oh, you're an
Yeah,
architect. Oo.
graduate.
Yeah.
So, kung if ever need yun ng mga services like sa
Oo.
consultations, sa kitchens, we also do them kay Binang.
Yeah. Actually, there's really a big difference, no? Especially like we do restaurants, no? And we work with a lot of designers. Importante din kasi na yung nagdi-design ng kusina mo, marunong din sa kusina kahit paano. Because sometimes kasi if aesthetics just leads the way in how you set up the kitchen, sobrang yung gandang tingnan. Pero hala, pag nagluluto ka, ba't nandun yung lababo ko, nandito yung aking stove and all that. So, hindi siya functional. So, ako, yun talaga yung the more sophisticated our lives become, the more important design plays into our lives. Because if our environment is not well designed, we will not be able to live well. Di ba?
Yeah, actually, tama. Then, next, sir, so for homeowners naman or designers who are thinking about investing in stainless steel kitchen, what advice would you give them ba?
Ako for me kasi like for a home kitchen kasi stainless steel is not the first thing that goes to your mind, di ba? It's not the first thing that goes to
Very
your mind.
industrial siya
It sounds very industrial, very cold, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero ako, I was surprised dito kasi it looks like the very modern kitchens you see in the magazines. Yung parang ganun yung dating, di ba? Pero it's made of stainless steel. So parang feeling ko, you get the best of both worlds. No?
Yeah.
You have the durability and the sanitary part of the stainless steel, but you still keep the aesthetics. So kahit na sabihin mo it's made of stainless steel, it's elegant, it's warm, it's beautiful. So parang nagwo-work talaga siya in a way na parang, especially, it's different if you're renting a home. But if you're building your own home or you're renovating your own home, you also like to look for durability and you also want to look for parang, you know, how long it's going to last, di ba? Kasi it's such an investment. And ako, I appreciate the design dahil it's so, how would I say, minimalist that you can add your personal touch. Di ba? Kahit magbago yung uso at another decade, you just change your decorations, but the basic unit niya, hindi siya napapanis because it's so classic.
Actually, yeah. So, yun nga sir, what is the specific feature that you like the most aside dun sa mga nabanggit niyo earlier?
Ako, for me, very important for a kitchen personally is the workstation. Di ba? Kasi yung
Yeah.
prep mo talaga yung luto lang naman talaga. Pero to make your cooking efficient, you need adequate space to be able to chop and organize and all that. And also very important, yung cabinetry niya na pag ano, no, yan, kumakuha, sunod-sunod siya.
Yeah. Kayo ba, sir? Nagluto ba kayo? On a daily basis ba?
I'm not on a daily basis, pero whenever I cook at home, ganun talaga eh. Minsan ako nang luluto, di ba? So, di ba?
Yeah.
Dapat maayos.
So, actually, sayang din kasi
Oh, it will cost you not only pera, it's also your time, di ba? Like especially like when you're cooking, for example, in the holidays, I cook at home. Hindi naman pwede yung buong oras ko nasa kusina na lang ako, di ba? Because I also want to relax, I also want to interact with other people. So the kitchen has to be designed and has to be functional enough na I can prepare a good meal, pero hindi na ubos yung buong holiday ko sa kusina.
Yeah, actually. Yeah, tama. Then for the last question lang, sir, if you could describe Binding in one word, what would it be and why?
Hindi ko siya afford. Charot! Hindi. Ako, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. It's very sleek.
Actually. Then, thank you so much, Chef Tatung, for your time and sharing your incredible insights with us today. Your dedication to quality and excellence perfectly reflects the spirits of Binding Philippines. So to everyone watching, we hope you enjoyed this conversation and feel inspired to elevate your home. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Binding PH for more innovative solutions. Everything you need to create a home that really stands out. Stay tuned and stay inspired.